Hello friends, today I am going to show you how to find out the number of titles and number of volumes of the books in MS Excel. Before starting this, I would like to show you the difference between a title and a volume. The title means the name of a book and one book is like one volume. The best example is Encyclopedia Britannica. It has one title but it is separated into 32 different parts. So you can consider the number of titles as 1 and number of volumes as 32. Another example is if the library has 4 copies of the same book, then you can consider the number of titles as 1, number of volumes as 4. It is very difficult to count manually because it takes a lot of time. In huge libraries, big libraries, it's a very difficult task. Now I will show you how to find out number of volumes and number of titles in MS Excel. Here BN001 and BN002 are the accession numbers. These are the accession numbers and these are the titles. There are 30 different titles. Now I will show you how to find out number of volumes and number of titles in MS Excel. So in order to find out this, you have to insert 1 in front of the title. This 1 represents the title. I'm inserting 1 in front of each title. Now I will show you how to find out number of titles and number of volumes. In order to find out this, you have to use MS Excel data consolidation option. So click on data, click on consolidation. Here please select the sum as a function. For the reference, you have to select the number of title and numbers. Please select completely till the last row. Here, please click on the left column. Click OK then. Here, the title reference service is appeared for 1 time. It means 1 title, 1 volume. Financial accountancy appeared for 3 times. This means financial accountancy is 1 title and the 3 is volume. So 1 title, 3 volumes. Java programming is appeared for 2 times. So you can consider the title as 1 and volumes as 2. See, there are 19 titles and the total number of volumes are 30. If you want, you can apply some formula also. I am applying some formula. This 30 represents the volumes. There are 30 volumes and there are 19 different titles. Like this, you can use the MS consolidation option in order to find out number of volumes and number of titles. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more videos.